know if you can hear that bird, but it's like the most beautiful whistle I've ever heard.
I thought it was supposed to turn golden brown.
Stop it. Stop it. Yeah. Freaking tree on the anchor. Last week on waldesailing, we got our anchor stuck on some sunken rope that was so encrusted with sea life we thought it was a tree. Oh, Lyndon. You're the best. Once free, we set off for a fantastic 5-hour sail to Klaskino Inlet and tucked in behind a small island. It was a paradise. We picked up Josh, who it was on his bucket list to see some bears, so hopefully this makes the cut. We buzzed closer to shore to watch a family of 4 bears hunt for food on the open shore. Wait, look, he's walking. Wait. The predicted gale winds and rain ended up being even stronger than anticipated, and all 55 knots hit us the next day. We panicked because we started dragging anchor into shore. Oh my goodness, you are soaked. Oh my goodness. What a night. That was horrible. We are leaving today. We've got a window today for some lighter westerly winds to make it around Brooks Peninsula. So we're heading out. We may have slept through the alarm clock, so we pretty much got out of bed and are on our way.
It started out as a cloudy and rainy day as we made our way towards Brooks Peninsula. The rain came on fast and we actually almost turned back as the weather was starting to look like it may turn for the worst. But once we saw a break in the clouds, we decided to press on.
There's Brooks Peninsula.
Brooks Peninsula is located about 1/5 the way down the west coast of Vancouver Island and juts out more than 10 kilometers or 6 miles into the Pacific Ocean. So being patient and waiting for a good weather window for a safe and comfortable rounding is imperative.
It's very rough. Well, it's very swelly, and it seems like there's a couple of different currents or, I don't know, swells meeting here. So we're tipping over a ton.
Luckily our northwest wind has kicked in.
No, it has not.
Brooks Peninsula is made famous for its unique mountainous landscape and for being untouched by the last ice age. The islets, reefs, and rocks off its northern shore are rich with wildlife and are a nesting ground for many of the most rare and exotic birds of British Columbia's coastline.
The wind decided to finally shift to a light but favorable northwesterly, so we were able to raise the main, pull out the genoa, and sail for the rest of the 5-hour trip to Dixie Cove, which is located in Coyote Sound. There's 2 places to anchor in Dixie Cove, and we chose the back basin. To get into the back basin, you have to pass through 2 narrow entrances, which are quite daunting if you're unfamiliar with the area. But once through, the cove opens up into a gorgeous oasis that was perfectly calm and absolutely stunning. I don't know if you can hear that bird, but it's like the most beautiful whistle I've ever heard. I love them. I don't even know what they are. It is a rainy morning, very misty in this bay, but we had such a good sleep. It was so calm and quiet, and we were so tired, so we had a really good sleep. We are trying to figure out what our next move is because we don't get any radio signal in here. So we can't figure out what the weather is. We can't communicate with the other boat over there by radio to see if he knows what the weather is, and we're trying to make sure we don't get stuck out in some bad weather. We've pumped the fire today because things are damp and we just want to dry them all out. So it's actually quite hot in here. Lyndon's gone over to talk to Josh to see what his plans are. It's still kind of misty out. But I made bread. I attempted to make bread, just regular bread. So we'll see. I don't have a recipe or anything, but I don't think it's that hard. So we'll see how that goes. And then I think I'm gonna clean out the boat a little bit. The carpets are pretty full of, you know, dirt and sand and stuff, and then wipe the floors down. So bit of a clean boat day again. I'll wait till Lyndon gets back and then we'll talk about what our game plan is. Looks like it's working. Also, it is so hot in here. We just turned the fire on. It's so hot. Well, that didn't rise very much. It's also really hard.
I thought it was supposed to turn golden brown.
Stop it. Stop it. This is my own recipe. We'll see what it does.
Hopefully it's not a little red brick.
Here, hold this and I'm going to flip it out. We'll see what she looks like. Ooh.
Oh, look at that nice break on the side, yeah.
I don't know if it's supposed to do that. I don't think it.
That's what it did in the breaking show.
It smells good. I'm so excited for bread. We haven't had bread in so long.
Let's cut a piece.
Knife. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot.
Is that normally how you cut bread?
No, it's so hot.
Oh,
nice
it's
rise.
steaming, yeah. What would Mary say?
That's some good bread. I don't know. It's good. I gotta just make more. This is pretty flavorless, but what do you think? Let's get the jam! So Josh just rode over and we're gonna go for a hike. There's a little bluff up there, so it stopped raining. We're gonna go look around a bit. Having not been on land for a few days, we were looking forward to stretching our legs and getting to explore a little bit of Dixie Cove and to see it from a new angle. We're trying to figure out how to get up to the top. There's no clear path. We knew the hike began from a particular small clearing, but we could not find a distinct path. We thought it could possibly have to do with us being there so early in the season, and that we were the first people of the year to attempt the climb. This is really steep. That would be nice. I don't know if this is the right path. How's it look?
It'll be better once we're over this lawn.
Okay. Oh man.
Is it working?
Well, looks promising for 5-10 feet in front of it.
Oh, that's how I feel.
Okay.
I'm not loving this.
Yeah. Big hole in the ground with the stump uprooted.
Oh my goodness. Hey, there's. You alright? Woohoo! Wow. There's Annie.
Now the guide book says.
How much dirt do I have on my face? A lot?
Quite a bit on your path.
There's our boat. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on an episode. Thanks to all our patrons for keeping these videos coming. We are so grateful for you. Our patrons get early access to weekly episodes as well as bonus updates and content of where we're sailing today. So if you're interested, take a look at our page. You can also see what we're up to on Facebook and Instagram. All the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic week, everyone.